You know, Sita, I've been thinking a lot about our further studies.
Oh, really? What's on your mind, Ramu?
Well, I've been looking into different options, and I'm leaning towards pursuing a degree in computer science.
That sounds interesting. I've been considering business administration myself. I love the idea of managing and leading teams.
That could be a great fit for you, Sita. It's important to follow our passions, right?
Absolutely. But have you thought about where you want to study?
I've been researching some top universities, and there are a few that really stand out. I'm thinking of applying to them.
That's fantastic, Ramu. It's crucial to aim high. What about scholarships and financial aid?
I've been exploring scholarship opportunities, and I'm going to start applying soon. I want to make sure I can afford the best education.
You're so organized, Ramu. I should get on that too. It's smart to plan ahead.
Definitely, Sita. It helps to be prepared. And speaking of preparation, have you thought about any extracurricular activities or internships?
Yes, I've been looking into internships related to business administration. Getting some hands-on experience will be invaluable.
Absolutely. It's not just about the classroom learning, but also about gaining practical skills. We're on the right track, Sita.